To make money in real estate in Ghana, consider the following strategies. Land banking. Purchase land in developing areas and hold it for future appreciation as urbanization increases. Research the location, ensure proper documentation, and be aware of any existing claims on the property. Rental properties. Acquire properties in desirable locations with good infrastructure and low crime rates. Manage the properties yourself or hire a reputable property management company. Focus on long-term rentals to ensure stable cash flow. Real estate development. Buy old homes, renovate them to increase value, and sell for a profit. Buy to rehab strategy. Build and rent out rooms to take advantage of the demand for affordable housing. Commercial real estate. Invest in commercial spaces like offices, retail shops, and warehouses. Conduct thorough market research to identify high-demand areas and target tenants. Service lands. Invest in lands with basic infrastructure like drainage systems and utilities. Improve the lands and sell them to developers, or use the revenue to develop detached homes for sale. Real estate investment trusts REITs. Invest in REITs, which are companies that own commercial real estate. REITs offer the opportunity to invest in real estate without directly owning properties. Remember, successful real estate investing requires thorough research, financial planning, and a long-term mindset. Be prepared to face challenges like legal disputes, oversupply in certain market segments, and the need for on-the-ground presence.